today's fuck ass episode, we're gonna be fixing this. My mud mowers. Since she wants to chooch like a fucking train. Okay. More of those. One of these. There's some other shit that will be happening too. So, there's gonna be a lot of cuts in this, so. Cause I don't have a tripod. It's gonna suck doing this all one-handed. Nah. For 400. Could get the Duggar, but what's the fun in that? This hood's fucked 7 ways to fucking Sunday. She's off. Alright. That will be scrap. Alright. She chooches. That bolt is loose. It overheated today while me and the old buddy was out. It overheated the gas tank and the gas looked like it was boiling. But hey, I gotta get the fan back on. Gotta find the fan. Or I'll take one off a Predator. Do I got a Predator fan? If I do, that'd be tits. Or I'll go put a fucking Predator gas tank. I got 14 of them. Ta-da, I found it. I think that's it. Should be. I had this on so I could pull start it. Yep, that's it. Alright. Oh yeah, then the snorkel fell off. It was never water sealed. It might have. No, it was not. See if you can get in there. Somewhere like right there. But I coupled all self-tappers in there. Alright. So, what I'm supposed to be doing, I gotta make a cage for it. You know how I'm gonna do that? You see this right here. With this old... ow, fuck. Oh, cut myself. Hey, with this old tree stand. Well, I'm going to use some parts of that. So, we're going to use some of the parts of the tree stand. We got to make a skid plate. Definitely did not steal this. I didn't. She's gonna be chooching. Like that. Well, it's gonna be bent, obviously. But we got some welding to do. Granted, this isn't gonna stop it from chooching, but it's gonna help. Oh, there's my impact. So, I got all of this. And I got tube. I might make it just out of tube. Because I got that big old... I got that out of the dumpster. I rode my mini bike all the way from Told Town over with that. Looked like I was stealing it from a job site, but I wasn't. But we gotta fix this because it chooches. 2. First step. I think I overfilled it. She might be overfilled. She is definitely overfilled. Alright, so number, right there, it's overfilled. That's why it's chooching. It could be possibly that. But we don't give a fuck about that. Alright. At least we're on the same place. We're gonna check the welding wire. Throw it off too. Because if we don't got no welding wire, we have welding wire. Alright, it is. I don't know what time it is. So, but fuck it. So we're gonna have a smaller piece of tubing. Right here. We gotta get our measuring sticks. So rusted, but fuck it. But we're gonna need this about yay high. Yay high. So we're gonna measure. Gotta get my tape measure. Fuck my itches. Holy shit, I should clean my desk. Workspace was whatever. Gotta get for 400. That would probably be next week. I don't give a fuck right now. I don't got the money. Never will. Alright. I wish I could flip this, but I can't. Do I flip it like that? How do I do that? What's that? Oh, no, I don't want to. Oh, I learned how to pause it. So, we're gonna see this started shit. We're gonna. How do you come off? Oh, shit. Slowly but surely. Alright, so I need something to like score it. That looks good. So, what's my relative height that I want? We'll do 17 inches because I need enough. I don't know. About 7. We're gonna get a pause. Alright, so I got my 1 cut mark, 2 cut mark. Yo. So that leaves me enough. This should be enough for me to go across it. And with this tubing, I'm gonna make what goes back here. Because I got a weld near a gas tank, and I don't really want to, but I have to. But at the same time, I might just make the box right there. So I can figure out how I can bolt it, All right. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna cut this quietly. You're gonna watch me struggle, cause it is. I was not gonna bore y'all. Got that shit cut out. So I'm gonna do it on the ground first. Weld everything to the ground. So I have it right now. Just like that. Something like that. Granted, it's not even a cell. God damn. What the fuck? But that's gonna bolt up. Oh, like that. Because there's mounting holes right here. From the original exhaust. The skid plate. I don't fucking know what that was. But I have a cage. Okay. So I'm gonna get chooching with the welder. And I'll be right back. Alright, this is the jig setup. This is where it stopped rolling away. I got me a piece of angle. And we're gonna chooch it together. Oh, over my ground. That's not the way going. Got my shitty $150 welder. We're gonna get chooching. But I gotta get my drill. Done. Horrible ass weld. It's a fucking mower. That is horrendous. And that one's a little, not too bad. But hey, fuck it. It's sturdy. Maybe. She's a little uneven. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, we're kinda done. So we're gonna chooch it. We're not gonna be chooching much more. Yeah. So, this is what I've been doing. So, I found these in the scrap pile. They're the tabs off of the Motovox or MM80 Megamoto, and they will work perfectly. They bolt right up. I just gotta drill them out. This is for the front. But I feel like I kind of wish I made it a little more skinnier, but it's whatever. But it should be okay now. I've been huffing choo-choo flames all for the last couple minutes, but we've been getting her done. Horrible ass fucking welds, because this doesn't want to weld right, because I won't clean the surfaces, because I'm lazy. I got it all welded. Starting to look like fucking Slave Lake from Zip Ties and Bye Biles or whatever. But we got it kind of done. I still gotta do the other half. Well, the two. Well, I'm 1/3 we're done. At the front half done. So I'm gonna use this, or I might use something else. I don't know yet.